This remote here is one of our basic 5-channel Simu remotes. It's got 4 buttons on it. This bottom button right here with the circle on it will allow you to change which shutter you're trying to operate. You have 1 through 5 and an all function. Once you find which particular shutter you want to operate, for this instance number 2, you have 3 different commands here. You have an up button that will send the shutter all the way to the up position. You have a down button that'll send the shutter all the way to a down position. And then you have a stop button, which is this middle black bar right in the middle, which will stop the shutter at any height. If you ever need to replace the battery on this, on the very bottom there's this little groove that you can grab with your finger to open up that'll give you access to this battery. All you have to do is push down slightly and the battery will remove. Same way with reinstalling it. Put it in, push it up tight. I hope this helps you.